specific. So we made specific. Now the second question is, it has to be measurable. Like I want to be rich, okay? Is it measurable? There are three ways you can measure your goal. If you have answered yes or no, or if you have answered true or false, or if you have a figure. So this is a figure. So this is measurable. Once I know, okay, in my account I have 5 CR. That means I have achieved my goal. I have reached the finish line. So it has to be measurable. Now the third point is when. In 2 years. Wow. Okay. So let's say a normal common man would say at the age of 40. At the age of 40, a normal common man. Okay? And why he would want at the age of 40? Common thinking क्या होगी उसकी? So that I can retire. जब मैं retire होता हूँ, I want 5 CR in my account so that I can spend my rest of the life peacefully, आराम से. I don't want to work after 40. So why? Because I want to retire. Or in your case, for better lifestyle, for world tour, or anything else. So if you have a relevant answer for this all 5 W's, you have achieved your first step to work on your goal. Then comes measurable, and then is A. A means achievable. Like someone said, okay, in 2 years I want 5 CR in my account. If you think it is achievable, then good. Means if I say okay, next month I want to go, I want to become astronaut. So is it achievable? No. I'm just fooling myself. So this is overconfident and I'm only fooling myself. So do not do that.
Realistic goals.
Realistic. Perfect. So realistic, R stands for realistic. And T stands for time bound. Time bound is this, 40 years or 2 years, whatever you decide. But it has to be realistic. So if you plan your goal in smart way, you will achieve each and every goal of your life.